Hey everyone, this is Lewis and welcome back to Social Legacy. Right now we're going to go over the 5K formula calculator. So if you click on the image, it'll take you directly over to a new tab to where you can actually use the calculator. So basically you can slide the calculator back and forth to give you different results below. So let me start off with one here and simply explain exactly how this works and why $5 doesn't seem like a lot at first, but until you start to add those numbers together with your referrals and your referred referrals, that starts to add up. So basically your only obligation to the program is $10 a month. So even if you're making 1,000 or 5K per month, you're still only obligated to $10 per month. So just keep that in mind. So as we go through this, what this calculator is going to illustrate to you is your personal referrals, which is in this section here, and what happens when your personal referrals duplicate your efforts. And the bottom line here represents your final payout per month. Okay, so if you remember in the launch video that we had, we indicated that it's wise that you come to the table with at least 2 referrals. And the reason why is you want to make sure that you're in profit when we do start the program. So you want to instantly be in profit and ready to go. So in this case, if you're paying $10 per month, all right, you're going to get $5 for each one of those people. So that's $10 being paid right back to you. So it makes more sense to get more people than 2. But let's just say you want your monthly payments to be free. This is the way to do it. Get 2 people up front. Your $10 is just going to balance out. So what happens is when those 2 people start to refer their 2 people, you're going to get an additional $2 per their referrals. So in the end, your $10 a month, you're going to make $8 back. Okay? No, that sounds confusing right now, but these numbers will make sense as we increase the amount of referrals that you're going to have into the program. So here's the thing. If you never do anything but bring in people, if your people never did anything, you're still going to get paid based on your efforts and the people that you bring to the table. This additional bonus section is just what your referrals do. And hopefully they will duplicate your efforts, but we don't want to hold our breath and think that they will. So our goal is we're going to try to get everyone with 50 people underneath them, 50 personal referrals. In addition, we want those 50 referrals to have 50 referrals. So in turn, those referrals, you're going to get paid from those bonuses as well. So not to confuse us anymore, let's go ahead and give you a couple more examples here. So let's say, for instance, you decide, I just want to refer just 5 people to the program. So your reward for those 5 people that you brought in is $25. 5 times 5 is $25. Okay? So if those 25 people, let me go ahead and illustrate this on a regular calculator. So your 5 times 5 brought you in $25. So now technically, that's 25 referrals that you brought to the table. Okay, so because those 5 people are going to bring in 5 people as well, and that's where the duplication comes in. All right, so those 5 people are going to duplicate your effort. So now you have 25 people technically that are going to bring in the same amount that you're doing. So this is based on them doing exactly what you did to bring them to the table. So that's going to add a $50 bonus to your pocket. So in the end, you're going to walk away with $65 per month. And that's just by you bringing in 5 people and those 5 people bringing in 5 more people. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick calculation. So you brought in 5 people, multiplied by the 5, which gives you 25 people. So each one of those people are going to do exactly what you did. So each person, each 25 members are going to do exactly what you did. So you get $2 per each one of those members, which equates to $50. Okay? So real simple, guys. So if you add up what you're going to get, your $25 and this $50, so let's go ahead and add $25. Technically, you brought in $75 minus what you pay per month, which is $10. So you walk away with $65 per month. So guys, hopefully that makes sense to you, because I find it easier to understand it on the smaller scale. That way, when you increase those numbers, it makes more sense as to why you're getting what you're getting. So we wanted this program to be simple, inexpensive, and straightforward. And hopefully we're presenting that to you guys. So let's go ahead and up our game here and increase this a little bit more. So let's just say, for instance, you decide to bring in 25 people. Okay, so this program doesn't require you to bring in a lot of people in order for this program to be financially beneficial. So let's just say you brought in 25 people. So your amount is $125, which is not bad per month, with your obligation only $10 per month. So let's just say those 125 people, let's go ahead and bring out our calculator again. So you brought in 25 people. So 25 times your $5 gives you $125, as you can see here. So technically, you brought in 25 people, and let's just say those 25 people duplicated your efforts and brought in 25 people. So that's 625 people doing exactly what you just did. So from those 625 people, you get $2 from each one of those people, which equates to $1,250 paid directly to you per month. All right, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. And so when you add these two together, you're going to get $1,365 minus the $10 that you put in. So you're going to get more than that. I'm sorry, $1,375 minus the $10 that you put in. So let's go ahead and add that. $1,250 plus the $125, as you can see, is $1,375 minus $10 that you put in there, which equates to the $1,365. Okay. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and go to the big numbers. The big number as to why we call this the 5K formula. So let's go ahead and slide our slider all the way down to the 50. So as you can see, you can make money in between this slider here. You don't necessarily have to get 50 people, but the program is called 5K, and that's what we want everybody to shoot for. That's what we're trying to get everybody to get that 5K per month. So let's go ahead and go over to the 50, right? Okay, so as you can see, once again, your obligation is only $10 per month. This number will not change. So if you brought in 50 people, so that's your 50 people times $5 that you receive, you're going to get $250 paid per month, guys. Not one time, but per month. All right? So your 50 people that you brought in duplicated your efforts. So now that's 2,500 people that you're going to get paid $2 from. So $2,500, I'm sorry, yeah, $2,500 times $2 that you're going to get is $5,000 per month for a team bonus. All right, so if you add that with the $250 based on your personal referrals, that's $5,250 minus your $10 obligation, which now you're making over $5K per month. All right. So real simple, guys. Hopefully that made sense to you. If you guys have any question, if you feel my math is not correct, please let me know. But other than that, guys, hopefully this does make sense to you. The obligations are really, really minimum to get started. It's not like you have to have a bunch of people and you have to go on social media to get all these people. We're going to do what we can to push these people underneath you so you can lock in these 50 people per month. So once again, everybody's obligation is only $10 per month. It's a minimum requirement. You don't have to spend any more money out of your pocket other than $10 per month. All right. So guys, if you have any questions, once again, this is Lewis Duncan. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.